Hi there traders, this is Steve Miley for FX Explained, and here we're looking at the pound against the dollar, the GBPUSD cable spot FX rate. We can see this aggressive slide lower in here. It's wiped out practically all the rally that we had in here after the general election result, that positive general election result for the markets, a positive election result for the Brexit outlook, given the Conservative Party won a significant majority, 80-seat majority in here, going to make the Brexit process a lot easier. So the markets liked that, they cheered that, and the pound surged higher. We'd already had the dip lower to 130.51. It already rebounded up into like the 131 area and sprinted higher from there up to 135.15. And then the slide that we've seen in here over the last 24-36 hours has wiped out all of that rally that came from just before the general election exit polls that we had at 10 p.m. on Thursday the 12th of December. So it's wiped out all of that and some more as well. And although we're not quite back to the low that we saw just before the general election earlier on Thursday at 130.51, we're close to that low. Now, if we take out this low in here, it's going to neutralize the intermediate term bullish theme, and the intermediate term outlook for us would then shift to more neutral in here. We've already pushed down below this trend line that comes up in here all the way from the late part of November. So it's like a 3 to 4 week trend line in here that we pierced on election day, back down through there in here over the last 12 to 24 hours, and that leaves the risk certainly lower to challenge this key 130.51 level, which would neutralize the intermediate term outlook, and real risk to challenge even this 129.83 swing support in here, this impulse support, and a breakdown through there would actually shift the intermediate term outlook to more bearish. So real downside threats in here, and the market tried a little rebound in here overnight, but weaker again in here this morning. So real downside threat to 130.51 and 129.83 targets over the next 24 to 48 hours. The market on the top side needs to reclaim at least 131.74 to start to ease the very immediate negative threat. So downside pressures for the pound across the board against other currencies as well, but focusing here on the pound versus the US dollar, real downside risk as we go into the holiday season. This has been Steve Miley for FX Explained. I'm going to wish you a great trading day. Don't forget to follow us on YouTube, and I'll be back with you very soon.